welcome back to Officer Oil. Continuing on with the 99 Grand Marquis, the Mercury Grand Marquis. And if you look at watch the other videos, you'll see we already did the fuel treatments, upper cylinder lube, and PI. Then we just power foamed. Click on those links below. But now, Delante, we are doing the engine flush. All right, this thing has how many miles? 93,000 miles of tough abuse. We don't know what kind of oil's been in there. You bought it used. We don't know anything about the maintenance history, so a great thing to do is dump in a bottle of engine flush.
Absolutely.
All right, to clean everything out. It's going to break down any of those performance robbing deposits and prep it for good, clean, fresh, liquid gold oil. So this bottle here, this is the older bottle, okay? The new and improved has a little bit longer neck. It also works in transmission, so it's a little different formula, but this will still work great. I even double checked with tech services just to be sure. So let's go ahead and pop it in here, and we're gonna fire it up and let it idle. There it goes. Now that it's in there, what we're gonna do is just gonna seal up, put the oil filler cap back on, and then we're going to start it up, start our stopwatch, and let it run for another 15 minutes to work its way through all the nooks and crannies and everything else and clean out all that sludge that's in there. All right, all fired up. We'll start our stopwatch. We'll start our stopwatch here and come on back in about 15 minutes. The one thing I wanted to say with the flush while this is working its magic in there is you only want to idle it, okay? Do not go for a drive. This is not going to do that. It's just designed to clean out things at a idle or maybe even a little bit faster idle, but I would just stick with just an idle on this because driving it could cause damage. And this is just temporary, so we're only putting it in for, again, 15 minutes max, and then we're going to do a full drain, pull the plug, pull the filter, and get as much of the old junk out of there, because you'll see when we pull this, it looks like black water because it breaks down all those deposits. So make sure, again, check those instructions on the back of the bottle here. Again, older bottle, and only idle it. So Delante is a little bit busy right now. Oh, I think I got a little bit of grease here. He's a little bit busy right now. He doesn't know. His door is a little squeaky. You hear that? I'm moving with my foot. So I thought I'd surprise him here and hit the door hinge with a little bit of the AMSOIL metal protector spray to free that squeak up. So let's do that. All right, so we got it in there. Let me see if I can work this in for him real quick. No more squeak. Delante caught me.
I caught him.
Hey, caught me.
What you doing over here, man?
I thought I'd help you out. Put a little the metal protector spray on there to free up that squeaky door. So yeah, work that in a little bit.
Ooh, hey,
it's better.
It's
better. It's got to work in. There you go. Just got to work in and work its magic. Love this stuff. AMSOIL metal protector spray. Get a can in the garage, under the sink, door hinges, firearms, displaces moisture. It is something I use regularly. So yeah, that's working in there. And if it still happens, maybe we can hit it with a little bit of grease.
Man.
But how's that? Is that better?
Man, this is like a new door.
All right, Delante, time's up.
Time's up.
15 minutes.
15
Let's
minutes.
shut it off.
Shut it down, baby.
Let's shut it down.
Oh.
Hold on. Yep. How's the door?
Brand new.
I don't even hear it.
I got a new door on here.
I don't hear it.
I got a new door.
I was trying to be sneaky, but he caught me. Lubing it up. There we go. All right, so we're all shut down, and now we're going to be moving over and getting underneath. And gosh, I got a bunch of grease. Look at this. I got a bunch of grease here on me. So, oh well.
Officer Oil. Man.
Officer Oil.
Officer Oil.
So we're going to get in underneath here. We got to get this drain plug taken off and spin off that old filter. So click on the link below for that video, which we're going to do now. So we got to get the Signature Series in there. All right, the best premier protection, and then the AMSOIL synthetic nanofiber oil filter. We're going to get that in as well. To get your AMSOIL for get your engine flushed, super simple. Just click on the link below or visit officeroil.com.
Where if we're not fighting crime, we're fighting friction.